Let me discuss about CSS units. CSS units here. So what are the units will be available in the CSS? So what are the CSS units? So units you already know, right? So you know this percentages, pixels. So here CSS units are nearly classified into four types of units will be available in the CSS. So one is relative units. Relative units. So in this relative units, we have percentages, ams and rams, em and rem. And next we have absolute units. So absolute units we have pixels, pekka, centimeters, and millimeters, and we have inches, and we have the feet, and we have the points. So these are the fixed units. Fixed means once we can set this units, so we can't change the values here. We can't change the units there. That is the absolute units available in the CSS. Next we have font attribute units. Font attribute units. So here we have the font attribute units is nothing but m, ram, ams and rams, and ex and ch. So ch is ex is the height of font or height of, it will calculate the height, and nobody using the ch here. And next we have viewport viewport units. This viewport units are nothing but vw. So vw stands for a viewport, a width, a vh, viewport height, vmax, viewport maximum, v minimum, viewport minimum. So like this. So these are the viewport units. So these are the font attribute units, and we have viewport units.